You know how you're driving along and you just feel that it's kind of a rumble, and you can sense there's just something wrong in your front end, and you're thinking, what the heck is that? Well, I'm going to help you diagnose the problem. Most likely it's a bad ball joint. I'll show you what's up. Well, the problem is some manufacturers do a really good job. One of them being Honda, and their boots, they don't typically rip. But there's a problem that you got to be aware of. This ball joint is bad, but notice the boot is not ripped. So how do you know? Because you want to be able to prove it before you go spend your money on it. I'll show you how you do that right now. First, you got to have your vehicle jacked up, and you got to put jack stands under it. Don't think you can get away with putting your jack on the frame of the car and doing this. It won't work. You've got to have stability on both sides of the vehicle, so you need a jack stand on this side and a jack stand on the other side. Next, you need some kind of a pry bar. This is a cheap one from Harbor Freight. It may or may not work. It depends on how much flex there is in the bar. This this pry bar is really solid. I like it better. I'm going to try the Harbor Freight pry bar first and see if it will work. First, I'm going to glove up. Why? Because I hate dirty hands. You don't want your wheel up too high. Just high enough that you can get the pry bar under it and then be able to flex up on it. So let's try it and see what happens. It's working right now. You should not have any movement like this. Let me show you what's going on the upper control arm. When I raise up on that pry bar, you can see that control arm is flexing. Let me show you why. Now from this side, watch what happens when I flex up on that pry bar. You see all that movement? You can tell that's coming from the ball joint. It's bad. Even though you're looking at that dust boot and you're saying, what the heck, it looks completely normal. Yeah, but inside it's shot. Another potential sign is you might see uneven wear. Like this, it's uneven wear on the outside of my tire and not on the inside. That's another indicator that ball joint is bad, especially when I've got confirmation that it's moving like that. Well, now I know what's wrong. It's kind of nice, because I hate throwing money at something. When I can prove what it is, then I can buy my parts with confidence. This is how you get it done. You know, if you like this video, click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.